Here we go, baby. Check it out. SoFi stock is up over 7% right now. We're breaking over $11. In fact, we're almost at $11.20, and we're up almost 80 cents on the day. Guys, we're completely breaking out right now, and it's getting real, man. It's about to get interesting here, and we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Check it out. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And overall, listen to this, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that makes this deal a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And holy smokes, now we got to break down SoFi. By the way, cheers, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always. So this is nuts. It's currently about 10:10 a.m. on the East Coast, and you're probably watching this around 1 p.m. East Coast time, 2 p.m., whatever it may be. But either way, man, we are completely breaking out right now on SoFi stock, and the markets aren't even that green. It's not like we're having excuse me, a ridiculous green day today. I mean, look, the S&P's up 0.25%, Dow's down 0.25%, NASDAQ's up around 0.6%, and the Russell's up 0.4%. So not a crazy green day. It is mostly green, but not wildly green. So you'd be like, oh, that's why SoFi's up, right? But yeah, we're up 7.5% right now, guys, completely breaking out of the highs, obviously, from yesterday and the last couple of weeks and months for that matter, guys. We're actually now pretty much at a 14-month high on the stock. I know, it's nuts. And we're up over $1 from where we were yesterday on the low, or about 10-11%. So look, SoFi is clearly breaking out on the 1-hour chart. Now we can clearly see we bounced off of that 180 moving average. Very nice. Heading into earnings, by the way, on this Tuesday coming up. So we launched off of that moving average, pretty much using it as a launching pad, right? And here on let's say the 90, you guys can see how much this thing has gone up. Now it's officially doubled, I believe, off the lows. Are pretty dang close, about 91%. And here on the 4-hour chart, guys, this is looking nuts. So listen, what you're seeing right now ultimately is a short squeeze, right? You know, not like a GameStop style short squeeze, an AMC style where, you know, it goes up 100% in a day or 300% over 2-3 days or something nuts. You never know, that could happen, but it's not that level of a short squeeze, right? But we are noticing shorts covering. Let's be honest. I think last I checked, their short interest was in the 15% range, maybe 20%. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, in the comments, please. Feel free. But, you know, what we're noticing is exactly that. Shorts being like, all right, maybe the the downside on this trade, or the upside on the trade, which for a short means the stock goes down. Maybe there's not more upside for the shorts, right? That's what the shorts are probably thinking. You know, rates are getting cut, you know, which is it's good for SoFi. There's more demand now for mortgages, student loans. They're making strategic partnerships. It looks like they're growing nicely. The shorts are like, man, we got to slowly trickle out of this thing. And, you know, it's causing these pops. You know, we've seen this, you know, multiple times over the last week or two. You know, this day here on the 14th, about 10 days ago, we had a big move. You know, we're talking from $9 all the way to well over $10 in the aftermarket that day. And now we're getting another pop. You know, we hit 11:30 this morning. You know, now we're at 11:15. So my opinion, there is some shorts covering. There are some shorts covering right now, in combination with people buying up the stock in general. because they think it's a good opportunity. But the thing is, where were these people, when the stock was at $6, $7, $5? They were nowhere to be found. But now all of a sudden, volume's kicking up, a lot of momentum's building up into earnings, and people are buying. People are buying the stock, and this thing is just going berserk. And you all remember the $11.75 price target I had? Well, that looks like it's going to hit sooner rather than later. So these are a couple of targets that we've covered before, $9.15, $10, and 50 cents. I think $8.50 was another one. We're long past that now. But the main one, looking at this 3-year chart, is at $11.75. That is the high from the end of July of 2023. That's where we could be going at some point in the short term here. And I didn't think it would happen this fast. But I didn't think it'd happen this fast. But here we are. When there's a stock that's heavily out of favor, there's a lot of shorts, and then it starts becoming in favor. Shorts start to cover. Hey, this is kind of what you get. You guys know what I'm saying, right? So, yeah, this looks like it's filling the gap to $11.75. And I know this might be a little crazy, but if we break $11.75, which could happen sooner rather than later, where could we be going, you may ask? Well, $13 could be on the table at some point. $13, if I zoom in, clearly you can see that was support all throughout 2021, heading into the first month of 2022, where we completely crashed under $13. So, yeah, $13 is a big spot. $13.50 to $13.15 to about $13.50. That looks like on this monthly chart that was support. So I'm telling you, man, if we get that momentum to $11.75, break out of there, 13 plus could be where this goes in the short term. Not really in the short term, but maybe shorter term over the next couple of months or weeks. At least 4 to 6 to 8 weeks, Let it play out a little bit. Obviously, it's gone up a lot, so anything could happen. It could see a sharp pullback for all we know. But every time you think it's going to pull down, guys, it just keeps on going up, keeps on breaking out. And now really the only thing between us and potentially going higher is earnings. Earnings could throw a wrench. You never know. They might not do that well for all we know, guys. Guidance might not be the best. And since they're priced to perfection now, it might sell off after earnings. Totally possible. But I'm still holding on. I'm in at $6.80. I'm up a ton, and I don't plan on selling, guys. This will be in my portfolio for quite some time. But yeah, we're up another 7%. This is insane. What are your thoughts? I'm curious, guys. Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe here on YouTube. And check out the email list. If you guys want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday for free right to your email, that's in the description box down below. Feel free to go check it out. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon. You guys are awesome. I'm building out my private portfolio on there. You get to see all the moves. I'm putting in money every week. And there's a Discord. You get my charts and ideas and more access to me throughout the week. All of that's on Patreon, link down below. Or go to stocksurfs.com/Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.